Hello everyone, I am Kunal Kamthe from Era Hydro-Biotech Energy Pvt Limited. Welcome to the TLC Expo. Manufacturing our product as a biogas only on based on the food waste, which is the generate whatever we have to be generated in our kitchen waste, that has to be provided into the that this product as a biogas. This is the capacity of 5 kg of the waste, which is provide up to the 100 to 150 grams of LPG equivalent gas from this product. Actually, this is the inlet of the this machine, and this is the outlet. The whatever the slurry comes from the outlet, that has to becomes as our fertilizer for the each and everything. We are manufacturing the ETP plants, STP plants, water treatment plants, WTP, ROs, as well as the biogas system since last 20 years.